Welcome to the world of healthy food blogs and websites. If you're in need of a fresh crop of the best healthy food blogs to bookmark, but don't feel like hunting them down, we've done the research and scrolling for you. There are so many options of healthy food sites and blogs out there these days, but still, it can be a struggle knowing where to start. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top healthy food blogs and websites of 2023, providing you with an abundance of cooking and healthy eating inspiration to draw from. First up, let's explore the well-known Minimalist Baker, one of the best healthy food sites for wholesome, simple recipes that require minimal ingredients. All their recipes are either one bowl, require 30 minutes or less, or call for 10 ingredients or fewer. Whether you're looking for vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, sugar-free, or other dietary styles, Minimalist Baker has got you covered. It's a reliable, no-nonsense website that comes through anything you're stumped for meal ideas or just looking for healthy meals that come together with no fuss. Next, we have Fueled Naturally, a 100% vegan healthy food blog that offers delicious veganized versions of classically Mexican dishes and flavors, along with a smorgasbord of other classic comfort food dishes and desserts. Alexa draws on her Mexican heritage to make plant-based versions of dishes she grew up eating, like empanadas, enchiladas, Mexican hot chocolate, and much more. Make sure to follow her on Instagram for even more dishes and live cooking classes. Moving on to Ella Vegan, a treasure trove of healthy vegan food. Ela's passion for healthy vegan food shines through her inventive, filling, and wholesome recipes that cover everything from curries to cookie dough, salads to pizzas. If you're looking for a wide variety of dishes, styles, and flavors, all with simple ingredients and using only 100% plant-based ingredients, Ela Vegan is the place to be. Now, let's explore Emily Eats, your go-to for filling, wholesome, simple dishes without the diet culture and pseudoscience. Emily is a registered dietitian and longtime vegan who's mastered plant-based versions of everything you need from weeknight dinner to special occasion cakes. With everything she does, she encourages readers to let go of obsessive diet culture rules and reclaim the joy of nourishing our bodies. Love and Lemons is next on our list, offering vibrant, plant-forward, and lighter dishes that are as colorful as they are fresh and healthy. Their recipes are perfect for those looking to veer slightly cleaner with their diet and nosh on plenty of power bowls, salads, and lighter soups. Even dishes like mac and cheese sneak in some veggies. It's the perfect place to eat the rainbow. Vegan Richa, one of the best healthy food sites, features vegan healthy dishes drawing on classic Indian heritage. Richa takes the flavors she grew up with and creates many recipes that are oil-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and always vegan. If you want to explore beyond the sometimes overdone classics and expand your palate, Vegan Richa is the place to be. Last but not least, we have Nissa's Kitchen, offering healthy dishes to fuel yourself with, no matter your eating style. From vegan to vegetarian to Whole30, paleo or gluten-free, Nissa's Kitchen has something for everyone. If you want to eat healthier, but still have fun with your mealtimes, and definitely don't want dull or complicated recipes, Nissa's Kitchen is the perfect destination. These top healthy food sites are an endless source of cooking and healthy eating inspiration to draw from. There's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to food, but we can all agree, what we fuel our bodies with matters so much. Long gone are the days where eating healthy meant restrictive dieting or boring, sad meals that left us unfulfilled or hungry. It's time to bring joy and nourishment back to our meals. No matter your preferred eating style, palate, or dietary needs, you can find heaps of inspiration and add some pizzazz to your mealtimes with these best healthy food blogs. So get ready to be inspired in the kitchen and explore the wonderful world of healthy eating and cooking. We'll see you in the kitchen.